Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So, dear student, as you can see, we are studying the first chapter of your English literature, An Uncomfortable Bed. In the previous video, we have learned till paragraph 5, and today we have to continue from paragraph 6. So, without wasting our time, let's see paragraph 6. Okay, the entire evening, everyone laughed in an exaggerated fashion. Just as a dog can smell whatever it is hunting, I could almost smell a practical joke in the air. Okay, dear. So, as I have told you yesterday, that this is an autobiography, okay, autobiography of the author, Mr. Guy de Maupassant, okay, and he had gone to spend holiday with his friend in Picardy, and he guessed that his friends had planned some prank for him, okay. So let's see what happened, what his friends had planned for him, okay, whether the author gets succeed to find out or not. Let's see. The entire evening, everyone laughed in a exaggerate fashion. The author tells us that all his friends were too much happy. They were over happy. Okay, so it creates a suspicion in the author. He was a little bit doubtful why why his friends are too much happy today. Okay, just as a dog can smell whatever it is hunting, I could almost smell a practical joke in the air. Oh, the author tells us that like a dog, okay, such as a dog can smell its prey, okay, in the same way, he can also smell a practical joke in the air. It means to say he is very clever, he is too smart that he can find out what practical joke, what prank his friends had planned for him. Is that clear? Here he shows his cleverness. He shows that he is very clever. He is clever enough to find out the plan of his friends. Okay. Now see further. But what was it? Okay, again see. What is humor here? The author shows that he is very clever. He can find out the prank. But again he asked, but he was not certain what was the prank, what was the plan of his friends. Now see further. I was watchful, restless. The author tells us that he was very careful, very watchful, but he was restless. He was impatient. Okay? Now see further. I did not miss a single word or a meaning or a gesture. The author tells us that he did not miss a single word or a meaning or a gesture. He was very careful. He listened everything very carefully. He noticed everything. He noticed every action, every words of his friends. He noticed every movement of his friends carefully. Now see further. Everyone seemed to be a suspect, and I even looked distrustfully at the face of other guests. The author tells us that everyone seemed to be suspect. He doesn't believe everyone. Okay? He tells us that he even looked distrustfully. What is the meaning of distrustfully? With suspicion. He was doubtful. Okay? He was not certain. He was not trust. He was not trusty with his friends. He was doubtful. Now see paragraph 7. The hour struck for going to bed. It means to say it is the time to bed. The whole household. What is the meaning of household? What is the meaning of household? So dear, household means members of the family. All the members, all the person who were staying at the home came to accompany me to my room. It means to say all the other members of the house went with the author to his room. But why? The author was not sure. Okay? When he was going to bed, okay, all the members went with him to see of him. But he was a little bit puzzled. Why they are following him? Why they are coming to him? Now see paragraph next. They called to me good night, and after that when he moved into his room, all of them bade him good night. Okay? Now see paragraph 9. I entered my room, shut the door, and remained standing without moving a single step. Holding the candle in my hand, I heard people laughing and whispering in the corridor. The author tells us that he entered his room, he shut the door, and he remained silent. He remained standing. He did not move here and there. He did not do anything. First of all, he entered in his room and he remained silent. Okay? Now see further. Holding the candle in his hand. He held a candle in his hand and he heard people laughing and whispering in the corridor. Is that clear? Okay. Without doubt, they were spying on me. The author tells us that he was sure that his friends were spying him. His friends were spying on him. Is that clear? Now see paragraph next. I cast a glance around the walls, the furniture, the ceiling, the hangings and the floor. Okay? The author tells us that he examined the room. The author tells us that he examined the whole room. Okay? He examined around the walls, he examined the furniture, he examined the ceilings, and he also examined the hanging curtains, and he examined the floor also. He checked everything very carefully. Okay? I saw nothing to justify suspicion, but he did not find anything that create doubt in his mind. Okay? I heard persons moving about outside my door. The author heard that some persons were moving here and there outside his door. Okay? I had no doubt they were looking through the keyhole. The author tells us that he was sure that his friends were looking through the keyhole of his door. Is that clear? Okay? Okay students. So students, till then watch the video and enjoy. In the next video we will continue from paragraph 10. Okay? Till then watch and enjoy. Take care.